Oh yeah, preparation for the team's been good, thank you. I think we're all enjoying the challenge of facing the Drua at home. You know, that's a strong team record here, and I think we've seen from the start of the season that here is a fortress. At home is a fortress for them, and they always play well. And I think the crowd and home advantage helps out with it as well, and they feed off the crowd and vice versa. So it'll be an interesting challenge coming tomorrow, but. We're well aware that it's a strong fortress.
How do you feel about it?
No, I love I'm eager to play back in my Ta's homeland. Since I was a little kid, watching flying Fijians as a kid, whether it was sevens or 15s, Hong Kong or here. It was I guess for me it was always like a childhood dream to watch the flying Fijians. So to come here and be on this field, playing against them, it's special and weird at the same time. Yeah.